The good folks from LED Factory Mart sent over a Jeep Gladiator cab cover for my new Gladiator, and it can be used for keep rain out or whatever if you got your doors or tops off. But I knew the first snowstorm of the season was fixing to hit Arkansas, and my Gladiator is too tall to fit in the garage since we put the lift on it and the 35-inch tires. So I thought this product would be great at keeping the snow off the windows and things like that. It's super easy to install. You just throw it over the top and wrap it around the mirrors. Then you have 6 straps to connect. What's cool about this cover is it has a side zipper on the driver's side, so you could unzip it and get into it if you need to. The green strips are a reflective safety warning stripes, so in the dark they will stand out and they shine really well. As you can see, the cover came in just in time. This is our first snow of the year, and we're supposed to get up to 9 inches. So this will save a lot of time just getting the snow off the windows and help thaw it out when we get in it. Now we just have to undo the 6 straps and then pull the cover off, and then we'll rake the snow off the hood. I'm sure this is really meant more for rain, like if you have your doors and your top off, you can keep it with you. It comes with a small bag and you can just put it behind your seat. I'm not being paid anything by LED Factory Mart. They just offered to send this to me, and I thought I could really use it since my vehicle won't fit in the garage since it's been lifted in the tires. I think it'll work great to keep leaves off your vehicle or, dust and dirt. So yeah, I'd say if you don't have a garage or you can't fit your vehicle in your garage like us, one of these things would be a great option if you're one of the people that go with your doors and top off all the time. You definitely could use one of these. Well, the cover saved us a lot of time having to clean off all the snow. Now we're going to head out in the wild and see what we can see.